Okay, this is a compound interest question. Samir invests £350 in a savings account. He gets 2% per annum compound interest. How much money will Samir have at the account at the end of 3 years? Now, there are formulas we can use to work it out, but the easiest way is to do it 1 year, then 2 years, and 3 years. I always use my ratio bar for anything that I do with percentages. So I've got 100% is £350. I need to work out 2%. Okay. But as it's 2% increase, I'm going to add it there, which is 2%, which means the number here is 102%. We need to work how to get from 100 to 102, and we go by 1%. So we've got to divide it by 100, and then times it by 102. So this side here, we've got to divide it by 100 to get what 1% is, and times it by 102 to get what 102% is. That's 350 divided by 100 times it by 102, okay, which is 357. So that's year one, okay. Year two, it's exactly the same thing, 2%, 100%, 1%, 102%, but we haven't got 350 in the bank account, we've got 357. And that's because your interest has actually made it a little bit more. We do exactly the same thing. We do 357. We divide it by 100 to get what 1% is. And then we times it by 102 to work out what 102% is, which is 364.14. Okay. Lastly, we need for the third year, exactly the same, 2%, 102%, 100%, 1%. But here we use the 364.14 divided by 100. I've already got it in my calculator. Sometimes it's just handy just to use the actual answer. Divided by 100, which means it's going to be 3.6414. We've got times it by 102, which gives me 371.4226. Now, if you think about your answer, I'm right here, 371.4226. This is in money. The decimal point is going to give into your pennies. I kind of have 0.2 of a pence, so it's got to be £371.42, and just ignore the rest because this rounds down.